Intensive Practice 5.2, Question 4. The diagram shows a few triangles, given that the area of the triangles follow a geometric progression, such that the area of the third triangle is 36. Okay, so this area is 36, and the sum of the area of the third and fourth triangle is 54. So T3 plus T4 is 54. Since we already know T3 is 36, we can easily find T4. T4 is just 54 minus 36, which is 18. So the fourth triangle here is 18. Okay. Find the common ratio and the area of the first triangle. Okay. So they want us to find R and A, the area of first triangle. R is simple. R is just T2 over T1, but since we don't have, we can do T4 over T3. So T4 is 18, T3 is 36, 18 over 36 is 1 over 2, half lah. So the areas are becoming half. Okay, next let's find A. So we know the ratio is becoming half, the areas are becoming half. So what we can do is we can work our way back. So 36 here will be double. So 36 times 2. Let me show you here. Okay, so T2 will be 36 times 2, which is 72. And T1 will be 72 times 2. So this will be 144 cm square. So going this way, it becomes half. Therefore, this way, it will double. So just times 2. So our A is 144. And our R is 1 over 2. Done. B. The sum of the third triangle to the 10th triangle. So the sum from the third to the 10th triangle. So what we can do is, we can find the sum of the first 10 triangles, which is S10. Then we can minus off with the sum of the first 2 triangles, S2, to get this region. So B, we can do S10 minus S2. So since this is a geometric progression, our Sn formula would be A Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. So our A is 144, Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. This is S10. We must minus this with S2. S2 actually you can use the formula, or you can also do 144 plus 72. Because this is the first triangle's area, second triangle's area, S2 is just the sum of these two lah. So we can say 144 plus 72. Right. So 144, 1 over 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by 1 over 2 minus 1. So this is 9207 over 32. 144 plus 72. So 9207 over 32 minus 216. We get 71.72 cm square. This will be the sum from the third triangle all the way until the 10th triangle. So again, we find S10, we minus off these two, we will get this region. That's it, done.